Today we're going to replace the broken handle on the tailgate of the Mazda B2200. First thing we're going to do is remove the back panel so we can pop it open, since right now we can't. So I think it should just line right up. There we go. Okay, next we're going to take this one off, which also has screws. Yeah, this one is rusted and it doesn't have anywhere to catch on, so I might just have to snap it. Or maybe I can just reach. Okay, it's gonna be a little tricky because this is rusted in place by one bolt down there that I don't feel like dealing with. So the first thing I want to do is actually open the tailgate so I can operate with it easier. So we have this on this side. If we pull it, it'll release on the left, and then ditto for the other side, which is underneath here where you probably can't see it. So we'll start with the side we can see. By pulling on this wire, we get to unlatch it over here. Except from experience, I remember that I have to prop it open after I've released it. So I have a piece of cardboard I'm going to shove in its place. Okay, so that one is released. Shove the cardboard there so it doesn't go back in. And then rinse, repeat for the other side. So we have the new piece right here. Okay, that looked to be the same size to me. Got this one on Amazon. All the other ones at AutoZone and such places were plastic. As to how to release these items, I don't know yet. So what I'm going to do is take off the bolts and then figure it out as I go. Okay, socket, size 10. If you disconnect the little plastic piece, that comes right off, so just push it aside. And then ditto for the other side. It just holds that in place. So just move it out of the way, you twist it off, and this comes right off. And then move it out of the way. So this piece, what I do now is I can get the screws off from right there and there, that the whole thing will come out. So gonna be slightly old-fashioned and jab it. That's one, and that's two. Alright, so I got my handy dandy cleaner. We're gonna spray some of it on the goopy, greasy stuff that's a lubricant of some sort. Add the new one and re-lubricate. Really gross. Okay. Now the fun part being, how does this go on? Alright, so you can see what's happening here. My holes are a little warped, and I know this is horrible, from prior whatever happened to this truck. So they are the correct size, but only one side fits in, as you can see right there, and the other side almost. So you got either one side, and the other's like, ah, nah, screw you, jackass. So I'll work on that. So we are back. Now, I have managed, whoopsie, right there. So I managed to get both things in via a handy dandy mallet hammer. Just did it from underneath, just to kind of guide it in place. So now, make sure I tighten the piece up a little bit. Or a little bit. Now, I forgot and or lost the new piece of these that goes right there. So I'm going to recycle one from the old one and shove it right in there. And that other new piece is still there. But before I hook up the two lines, I'm going to finish tightening the screws all the way. So you can see when you pull it, it opens. See? Alright, so first this one. So stick the thing back in the hole. Yeah. And then twist the little plastic thing back to hold it in place. Did it for the other side. And twist to hold it in place. So make sure it works. Show you what that looks like. Okay, so when you pull here, oops, it works here. And on the other side. And we are good to go. Just reinstall the other thing and you're pretty much done.